Hey everyone, good morning. So today is the day 13 of this beginner schedule for IBPS Clerk 2021. This schedule is for those candidates who have just started their preparation and who do not have any idea from where to study and what to study on daily basis. So this to-do list will give you a rough idea of the preparation. So now we will start. First is daily current affairs and weekly revision of the current affairs. So this thing is very important. Try to cover the current affairs on daily basis. And for the current affairs, I suggest you to go for Affairs Cloud, because Affairs Cloud is a good source of current affairs. Plus they provide many types of PDFs. You can select if you want to study topic wise or if you want to study week wise, then they provide different types of PDFs. Plus they provide the quiz of the same PDFs. And if you attempt the quizzes of the same questions, then there is high possibility that you will remember the questions for a long time. I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there is reading of one editorial, 120 rules PDF and error detection. These things are for English and solve 20 to 30 question of error detection. Okay. Then for quant, revise all the previous arithmetic chapters which you have done till now. You have done till now for till profit and loss. So try to revise the basics of all the chapters today. Then there are 5 prelims level DIs plus speed test of maths. For reasoning, there is 2 prelims guidely PDF of reasoning, because in this PDF prelims level questions are given. So rather than finding the questions and wasting your time, you can just download the PDFs and practice from the PDFs. So 2 prelims guidely PDF of reasoning of IBPS Clerk 2021. Then there is one mains puzzle. So for mains puzzle also and for the material, you can go for guidely PDF course also, because in one PDF course you get access to all the upcoming examination PDFs and the questions are updated on daily basis. Plus the validity of the PDF course is around 1 year, and the questions are given in both languages, like in Hindi and in English also. And one more thing is that if you have doubt in any question, then they provide video solutions also. I will give you the link of guidely PDF course in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount also. So that's all for today's to-do list. I hope your day goes very good and have a nice day from my side. Just try to utilize this day 100% and try to give your 100%. So that's all the best, and thank you very much.